So today our collab is on Michael KORS. I know that is like not the rhythm of the room. I don't buy to go with the flow, whatever's hot at the time. I go with what I like. Alrighty, so if you're up for it, come on back. Hi Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Today is gonna be a great day. Today I am doing a collab with none other than Birkenboy, Craig Birkenboy, aka Birkenboy, that was our famous in-house Instagrammer and turned now famous YouTuber because we convinced him and we begged him, and now he's on YouTube. So if you have not followed him yet, please go over and give him a follow. I will put his picture around here somewhere. I will also link him in the description box. So definitely would like you to go over and visit him after you're done seeing me. And if you're here from his channel, thank you very much for coming. I would greatly appreciate it. He's trying to get, his next goal is 500. He's at little over 200, I think. So he's doing really good, but you know, he needs the momentum. He needs y'all's help. And also too, I'm trying to get to 1010. So I would greatly appreciate it if you don't mind subscribing to me. I would greatly appreciate it. So today our collab is on Michael KORS. He has not purchased a Michael KORS before. I believe this is his first bag, but you're going to have to go over to his channel to see what he has in store for us as far as what he purchased and what he's going to reveal. And he's all full of information, so I wouldn't doubt that he has more than just a unboxing video or a reveal video. Alrighty, so if you're up for it, come on back. Okay, Beanbeauties, yes, we are doing a Michael KORS collab. I know that is like not the rhythm of the room. That is not what is going down with a lot of channels. But you know what? I always say I don't buy to go with the flow of whatever's hot at the time. I go with what I like. So this box, I got this bag from Cloverleaf Bags, Robin from Cloverleaf Bags. I will put information about her channel here, and I will also link her below. She's a reseller. I've purchased a lot of stuff from her. Y'all have probably already seen stuff. If you haven't seen them yet, I have done videos that are coming up, and you'll be able to see a lot of things that I've gotten from her. And I am not gatekeeping. I'm not gatekeeping. I have her information below, so y'all are more than welcome to go over and check her channel out. I'm sure she will be very, very happy to have y'all come over and see. This is the bag. Let me get, oh, and I have some goodies in here too. Do we want to look at the goodies first or the bag first? Let's look at the goodies. Oh yay, she sent me, she told me she was sending me a Dior box because she knows that I like the Dior boxes, and I like to collect the boxes too. I know. But this particular one's actually a cute one. See, it opens up and it has, oh look, she put all the stuffing in it. That's good. Make sure, yes, okay, it's just the box. So she told me she was sending me a box. So thank you, Robin. I greatly appreciate that. I am going to, I like to store different things. But you're here for this bag. Now, I saw this bag on Robin's channel. On Monday, she releases videos, a bit like a video vlog is what she does. And she shows you all of the bags that she has available, tells you how much they cost, she shows them what have you. I saw this bag, didn't know what it was. As soon as she showed it, she pulled it out, I was like, oh, I like that bag. Then I heard her say Michael KORS, and I was like, Michael KORS, you know, I was like, if I get a Michael KORS, everybody's gonna like, oh, why are you buying a Michael KORS? But I was like, okay. Also too, I'm trying to save for Chicago and trying to save for our 2 cruises. So it's like, I shouldn't be buying anything. But I couldn't get it off my mind. I kept checking back to see if it was somebody had purchased it, and I was hoping somebody would purchase it so it would be off my mind, and nobody did. When Birkenboy Craig was telling me, I bought a Michael KORS, Dee, I can't believe I bought a Michael KORS. I said, so did I. You want to do collab? And he's like, yes, let's do a collab. And I said, okay. So here we go. Shimmy, 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 coconut. Whoa. Here's the back of it though. Ooh. Isn't it beautiful? And then you know, if you want to be, I'm not quiet luxury, but if you want to be quiet about things, and then you go, bam! Isn't that neat? Look at that. I just fell in love with the pattern. Now this is, what is it? Pony hair, I think. Is that what it's called? This right here is, I'm sure it is embossed snake skin. And then it has these studs right here, these gold studs, brass studs. I just fell in love with it. And when she kept turning it and turning it and turning it, and then she showed it where like it does that, like this accordion thing. Woo, cool. You know, I was like, what is this bag? And then I just saw the back and the color, and oh my goodness, I just love this color. So it does have crossbody strap. It does have a crossbody strap that's adjustable and removable. It is on the you know, it's on the corners, which I don't like. You know, I don't like these kind. Michael Kors has a lot of those. He has a lot of those. But how I'll wear it is I will take it off, and I'll just keep this in the bag, use it as a top handle. Well, almost in the crook of my arm. Yeah, there we go, the crook of my arm. And you know, definitely like this. I can definitely hold it from here. So let's look at this bag. It is, because I know, you know, there's Michael Kors, there's Michael Kors, there's I don't know what there is. So this one, the branding on this one is here on the front. Well, here, right here, it says Michael Kors, right there, Michael Kors. And then on the inside, it says Michael Kors. You tell me, I don't know, people. I don't know what's from what, where's from what. It says, okay, let's see what the material says on this. It says real hair calf. Oh, it's real hair calf. Dyed, composed fur, origin the USA. It is leather, and oh, and then it just has the number of the bag, and number of the bag. So here, let's do the 360. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the side of the bag. Back. The other side. The bottom. And it's got feet, people. It's got feet. And then here's the top. And the top like that. All right, so inside the bag, you have 3 compartments. So back here is just an open compartment. And it does have an expanding side. On the front of the bag, whoops, it has an open compartment here, but on this part of it, on the zipper center, it has 3 spots right here. 3 spots right here. Sorry. 3 spots right here for your credit cards or whatever kind of cards. Then here, it has a nice hardy zipper pull right there. Can you see it? Let me block my face. Nice hardy zipper pull, and it says Michael Kors on there. Has it branded on there, and then it has a zipper here, and the zipper is really good condition. And here is the inside there. Now, this does have one of those that is not attached all the way to the bottom, but I just love the bag so much. I love the bag so much. Let me see if I can, whoops. Let's see if we can stuff it a little bit. Okay, so I went ahead and stuffed her. I had to find something to stuff her in. So you can, and what I did is I stuffed her more in the front than I did in the back, so you can see how it looks like when she opens up here. So then you can see there on the side how it opens up there and on this side. And I just think that, you know, it has a little, the lock here, and there's no keys. I guess I don't know, you know, I don't really know much about Michael Kors. I just love this. I couldn't pass it up. I kept thinking about it. I kept going back and checking the Robin Cloverleaf Bags channel to see if it had sold. Robin asked $110 for it. That included shipping. So I was like, okay, I could handle that. Hi, Beanbeauties. I just wanted to let y'all know that this bag is still being offered on Amazon, brand new, for the $349, and also on eBay, brand new condition for the $225. I think is that's what it says. I have it up here on the picture. So I got a great deal on it, and it's just a beautiful bag. I just think that it's a beautiful bag, and it had feet. I mean, it's small and, you know, right up my alley. And I thought, you know what, I don't care. I don't care that everybody's hating on Michael Kors. I think this is a fantastic bag, and I don't know, you know, I mean, honestly, from far away, you wouldn't know that it was a Michael Kors unless you knew that it was Michael Kors, you know. But I don't really care. I don't really care. I just love it. I just love it. So let's see what else is in here. I think that's it. Oh, see, Robin always sends goodies. She sends goodies. Let's see, cloverleaf bags. So she has these little cloverleaf bags there, and she sent some candy. She sent Werther's, and oh, a cloverleaf magnet, and oh, a Gucci Bloom. I don't have any Gucci perfume. I was gonna say perfume. And she says, thank you for your order. And she says, cloverleaf bags. Oh, that is so sweet, Robin. Thank you so much. I wonder what this smells like. I don't have any Gucci perfume. This is my first Gucci. Is it a perfume or is it a lotion? I don't know. Let's just open it up and see. Is it a twist or is it a pull? Oh, it's a pull. Ooh. Okay, now I'm not mad about that. I put too much. It's a pour, so let me try to let it dry down. It's here's what it looks like right there. And I'll try to put this closer for y'all. I'll try to insert a picture but it's Gucci Bloom Eau de Parfum. Oh, look at the inside of the box. Okay, look at this packaging. You know, y'all know how I feel about packaging. Look at that. Look at that, the inside. I mean, really, who is going to look at the inside of a box and appreciate it? Only somebody like me. Whoops, somebody like me. Look at that. That is just, love that. Beautiful. And the color matches the bag. Way to go, Robin. Way to go, Cloverleaf Bags. But you get goodies like that, something like that from Cloverleaf if you go check her out. Actually, that's not too bad. It's a little, I'll have to tell you after it dries down a little bit more. It's a little strong for me. It's not really florally. It has some floral scents to it. I'm gonna have to look to see what it is. I'm not good at that. I mean, you know, you have to go watch Super Jacob's perfume channel. I'll try to link that below as well too. Super Jacob has a essentially Jacob, yeah. So I'll try to put that over here somewhere so y'all can go look at it. But I just love this. Let's see how it fits on my person on this setting. Okay, so look at that. That was nice and easy for my hands that have dexterity issues. Nice and easy to clip on that one. Let's see about this one. This corner is a little, oh no, nice and easy. Look at that. Okay, So at the setting it's at right here. Okay, so I'll definitely need to, I would need to lower it probably just a little bit. I probably could get away with it like this. See, I like to wear them in the front, but you know, that's not in a good spot. So I would definitely need to move it. This has those, it's the pegs, so I'll have to do that later. Usually what I do is I will adjust that before I go out and keep it on that setting, and then just roll it up and put it in here. So I just love this. I just can't. I mean, it's real calf hair. The studs, I mean, it just has like a nice rocker vibe, and nice. I just love it. I can't say anything else other than the fact that I love it. I mean, the color, the style, I just love it. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry, not sorry. I love this Michael Kors. Okay, Beanbeauti, so that is my Michael Kors bag with my collab with Craig Birkenboy. If you have not gone to see his video yet, please go by and visit him. Tell him I said hello. He's linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe to him. Please help me and subscribe to me as well too. I will have a Michael Kors collection video, so I might try to post that like as the next one, so that it's close together. But if you like the collection videos, please go see that one. And if you like Michael Kors, let me know. If you hate Michael Kors, let me know. But I like this bag. If you like this bag and you still hate Michael Kors, let me know that too. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks, Craig, so much for doing a collab with me. I'm so excited about that, and it's a fun one. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.